Alright, well, sadly it's time for me to leave the Rocky Mountains for now, but not before catching some final sights on the way to Calgary for my flight. I must have been very lucky today because I was able to spot 2 black bears on the drive. Aren't they amazing? Here I had a brief stop in Canmore. I definitely want to return here at some point, but then I made it to the airport where I had to wait 7 hours for my flight. I finally landed in Toronto, then I took a bus to Ottawa, but I will be returning to Toronto during my trip. And guess where I am in Canada? Couldn't be Ottawa. Behind me is the beautiful Fairmont Chateau Laurier. I'm now at the Locks, right between Parliament Hill and the Fairmont. So here is Parliament Hill. The Parliament building itself is under construction at the moment, but you can still get a decent view of it. Exploring the Byward Market today. There seems to be some great food down here. I'll have to get something for lunch soon. And upstairs along here, there's all of this artwork, little free art gallery. I've just sat down at the Shafali Bazaar and I've gotten myself a curry for lunch. I also purchased this ring just at one of those outdoor stands for $5. I cannot believe the architecture and the intricacies of all of the details. I've just had to sit down to take it all in. I'm now about to take these stairs I found down to, I believe, the waterfront, probably along that trail. I've made it to the bottom and I'm really confused about the water here because it doesn't seem to be flowing in any specific direction. It's just a mess all over the top. I wonder what that's about. I'm back at the Locks and they're turning something by hand. I'm not sure what exactly it does. I can't see any boats in here at the moment. And here's the National War Memorial. It's a really beautiful monument.
Good?
Yeah.
Who's taking a picture?
My phone.
Oh, it's right there, okay.
Yeah. It's finally time to try a beaver tail. I got the banana rama. It's the fried dough with the chocolate hazelnut spread and the bananas. And it looks like icing sugar. Alright, so I just finished my beaver tail. As you can see, it was quite a bit of a mess. And look at my hand. Anyway, as I was eating it, this guy sat down and called me beautiful and started flirting with me. And I just progressively got more and more messy. I'm about to go home now, so yeah, I'll sort this out. I might wear my mask. Oh boy. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I dropped a few bits of banana on my leg and it left that. Alright, Alright, it's a new day now, not covered in chocolate anymore, and I'm here to explore Ottawa's Nature Museum. As you can see, there are giant models of the Earth and Moon inside. It is a great museum and I would definitely recommend checking it out. Now, I recommend you look away for the next 20 seconds if you don't want to see a spider. I will announce when it's safe to look again. Alright, it's safe to look again. I found this very interesting. It is smoke lit up with an orange light to look like fire, and I personally think it looks more convincing than the special effects in some movies. Alright, today is a new day and I'm hitting up the National Art Gallery of Canada. Here is the modern art section, which I quite enjoyed. As for the not-so-modern portion, well, at least it had these nice gardens. But no, that's just my art preference. It did, however, host works by Edvard Munch, Van Gogh, and Picasso, just to name a few.